You want to have healthier looking skin? You got to try this out. So for today's juice, all you need are carrots and a juicer. I'm using a Nama J2 juicer, and if you check in the descriptions, I left the link right there so you can check it out. And also, be sure to stay tuned until the very end of this video because I'm going to show you another recipe that's going to be even more delicious than the first one you're going to see. So one thing I've noticed is that with time, we become a little bit more interested about our skin. We worry about our wrinkles, acne, blemishes, fine lines. We want to have that nice glow on our face. And one of the best ways, in my opinion, to improve your skin is to start drinking carrot juice. Carrot juice can make your skin look amazing. I'm going to explain 6 different ways in which it can improve your skin. Number 1, vitamin A. Carrots are very high in beta carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy skin by promoting cell regeneration and repair. It also plays a crucial role in the growth and development of skin cells, helping to keep the skin soft, supple, and well-nourished. Number 2, antioxidants for fighting free radicals. Like I mentioned before, carrots are high in beta carotene, which can help neutralize free radicals. Free radicals can damage skin cells and contribute to premature aging. And the antioxidants in carrot juice can help protect the skin from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of wrinkles and fine lines. Number 3, protection against UV damage. So the antioxidants found in carrots can definitely help protect your skin against the sun. While it might not be a substitute for sunscreen, it definitely is a great way to protect your skin if you're not trying to add any types of chemicals onto your skin. Number 4, reduced inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of carrot may help soothe irritated or inflamed skin conditions. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions like acne or eczema. Number 5, wound healing. Like I mentioned before, the amount of vitamin A that we're able to obtain from carrots plays a role in wound healing. It helps in the formation of new skin cells and tissues, facilitating the healing process for cuts, bruises, and other skin injuries. Number 6, provides liver support. So the liver fulfills the function of eliminating toxins. And when your liver becomes overwhelmed with so many toxins due to the food we eat and our toxic environment, it can reflect on our skin. Like we mentioned already before, carrots are rich in beta carotene, and antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the liver. This protection may help prevent damage to liver cells caused by environmental toxins and other stressors. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in supporting the liver's function by regulating enzymes involved in detoxification processes. Another great way to keep your liver healthy is by taking a supplement like this one right here that has organic ingredients and herbs that will help you detox your liver. Liver detox has multiple ingredients that can help you out. Choline, which helps transport fat and cholesterol away from the liver, preventing the buildup of fat in the liver, which can lead to liver damage. Milk thistle contains a compound called silymarin, which has antioxidant properties, which helps protect liver cells from damage caused by toxins and supports the regeneration of healthy liver tissue. Chisandra berry can help protect the liver from damage, reduce inflammation, and support liver function. Dandelion root is a natural diuretic, which means it can help the body eliminate excess fluids. This can help reduce the load on the liver as it plays a role in processing and filtering waste from the blood. Chancapiedra, also known as stonebreaker, contains natural compounds that can shield liver cells from toxins, oxidative stress, and inflammation. Goji berry contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help alleviate stress on liver cells, also helps regenerate blood sugar levels, which can benefit the liver. N-acetylcysteine, NAC, is a precursor of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant produced by the liver. Glutathione plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body by neutralizing harmful substances and supporting the liver's detoxification processes. Now, drinking carrot juice is good enough, but I'm about to show you another recipe that not only tastes delicious and happens to be my favorite juice recipe of all time, but it's going to give you even more health benefits than just simply drinking carrot juice by itself. So for this juice recipe, all you need is pineapple, lemon, ginger, and carrots, of course. Now, pineapple has a ton of benefits, but one of its best benefits is the enzyme that it contains. It contains bromelain, and bromelain is a great anti-inflammatory. It can help reduce skin inflammation and redness, making pineapple juice potentially beneficial for individuals with inflammatory skin conditions like acne, rosacea, and it can help with digestion as well. The next ingredient is ginger, which can help improve blood circulation. Enhanced blood flow can nourish the skin cells, promoting a natural glow and supporting overall skin health. It can also combat signs of aging, such as sagging skin and wrinkles. It also supports the immune system and helps the body defend against infections. Great for a sore throat, cough, and alleviating congestion. And the next ingredient we're going to use are lemons, which are high in vitamin C, and they help promote collagen production. And collagen is important because it helps promote skin elasticity, and by doing so, it helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And the next ingredient we're going to use, of course, are carrots, which are high in beta carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. And with that, we're going to improve fine lines and wrinkles, blemishes, acne, protection against the sun. There are way too many benefits, like you guys already heard in this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and let me know if you enjoyed the recipe, if you guys end up trying it out. I know you're going to love it because it's definitely my favorite juice recipe of all time. And yeah, there's no way you can go wrong. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next one.